So this is Angothu Saida. Hi to all. I am working as a assistant professor in EC department, college KG Reddy Engineering College, Hyderabad. So now I am going to take the class on digital system design. Last class we have discussed the how to represent the decimal any decimal number in various form like sign magnitude in one's complement form, two's complement form, like that number representation using one's complement, two's complement, and also sign magnitude. Okay, so might be last time we have discussed the how do we represent plus, how do we represent plus 5 and a minus 5 by using one's complement and a two's complement. So let us start with the in sign magnitude 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary value of 5. Okay, so this is the representing of positive sign in sign magnitude. Similarly, in 1, 1, 0, 1 is the negative sign representation. Minus 5. This is the minus 5 representation using sign magnitude. Here the thing to remember, in this 4-bit of binary, this is called most significant bit. Most significant bit, MSB bit. This MSB bit should not be considered as a counting point of view. You can call quantity point of view. This most significant bit specially indicated for the sign representation only. So 0 indicates positive sign and 1 indicates the negative sign. This is for wherein sign representation. So this MSB bit represented as only or dedicated as for only sign representation. This should not be considered for the counting point of view. This is the way of representing the plus 5, minus 5 in sign magnitude. Then how do we represent the same plus 5, minus 5 using the ones complement? Using the ones complement. So what is the ones complement? In ones complement is the complement of negative version of the original number. Negative of the original number. That means what are the 0 can invert as 1 and 1 is invert as the 0. Okay. So we'll see how do we represent the same plus 5, minus 5 using the ones complement. Okay. So the plus 5 is the same of representing using the ones complement and positive sign. Okay. Then how do we represent the negative 5, minus 5 using the ones complement? So this is what we are having plus 5. So plus 5 complement is plus 5, plus 5 complement is negative 5. Plus 5 complement is negative 5. So let us see here this 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 is positive 5, which we can call as this one positive 5. Okay. So this can be represent complement of positive 5 is the negative of the ones complement. So let's see, 0 can change 1 and 1 can change 0, again 0 can change 1, this 1 can change 0. This is the way of representing the negative sign, negative minus 5 representation. Negative minus 5 representation. Okay. Similarly, how do we go for positive plus 5 minus 5 using the 2's complement? 2's complement, as we know, 2's complement is what? 1's complement plus 1. That is what we can call 2's complement. So in the binary, we are having two types of complement. That is, those are 1's complement and a 2's complement. So how do we describe this 1's complement, 2's complement? We have already discussed it in the complement point of view. Complements are two types: R's complement and a R minus 1's complement. Okay, R's complement and a R minus 1 complement. So based on that, in binary number system, we are having two set of characters. The base is 2. So based on that, we can say here there are two types of complements: 2's complement and a 1's complement. So when we are going to use this complement, the point is the application of complements or majorly plays a major role in digital systems. So in digital, especially in digital computers, we are applying this knowledge of complements for subtraction as well as subtraction, and also we will going to use this complements operation in the you can call as logical operation. So now we are going to discuss how do we apply this complement in the subtraction operation, and we'll see later on classes how do we apply this complement operation for logical operation. We'll discuss on later on classes. So here this is the way of representing the positive sign, negative sign, positive decimal number, or you can call positive numbers, negative numbers using the sign magnitude, and this one we have discussed the using the 1's complement form. Later on we'll see that 2's complement form. So what is 2's complement? Just now I told you 2's complement nothing but the 1's complement plus 1. This is what we have done. This is the 1's complement of the 5 number. So it's plus 1. So if you add plus 1 here, if you add plus 1 is the negative of the minus 5. So 0 plus 1, 1 and 0 and 1. This is also minus 5 representing in the minus 5 representation using the 2's complement form. Using the 2's complement form. Okay, this is what minus 5 using the 1's complement form. 1's complement form. Okay, so this is what. Let us take one more beautiful example to covering all this basic knowledge. I will go directly. Let us take the example, very important. This question has been asked many times in GATE, any other competitive examination like UGC. Okay, so this question very important. We are frequently will see this question in majorly in competitive examination. So have a look very deeply. So represent the plus 25 and minus 25. Okay, represent decimal number plus 25 and minus 25 using sign magnitude, using I can say sign magnitude and sign magnitude comma 1's complement and very important 2's complement. This is a very frequent question, has been asked in so many competitive examinations. So by taking this basic knowledge, we are going to explain how do we represent plus 25 minus 25 using the sign magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement. So before that, we should know what is the binary value of 25. So this one directly we can say directly plus 5 means we can remember this is the plus 5, we can remember easily. Okay, how do we represent the 5 values 1 0 1 1, we know it very easily, but then our point to know here what is the 25 binary value. What is the 25? So this is before giving the answer for this question, we have to convert this decimal number into binary form. So we know we have discussed the converting the decimal number to any number system. So now we are in converting into the binary number system, so that with help of the division method we are going to change, we are going to converting this decimal number into binary number. Okay, so let us take the formula for this division method, that is called as plus 25, like 25 divided by the 2. Why we are given 2? Because we are converting the given decimal number into binary form. So binary has the set of 2 characters, those are called 0 and 1. It has the 2 set of characters, it has the base of 2, you can call radix of 2, so divide by 2 only. So division by 2 you can call, okay, so 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4 and remainder is 1. Again divide till you get all remainder goes to 0. Okay, the next is what again 2 6 ja 12, remainder is 0. Again divide by 2. Okay, 2 3 ja 6, So remainder is 0, again 2, 1 ja 2, okay, then remainder goes to 1. This is the final, okay. So now how do we collect this? All this remainder are the binary values. All these remainder are the binary answers converted. So we have to take all these remainders from bottom to top. All these remainders should be collected from, as I have indicated the diagram, from bottom to top. All these remainders together are called the our required answers from bottom to top. What are those? Like a 25 decimal binary is equal to, so this is called decimal. How do you represent? Base 10. So this is what is the answer from bottom to top. As shown the arrow, collect the all remainders from bottom to top are the binary values. So what are those? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is our answer. This is what binary of the given 25 number. Binary of the given 25 number. So how do I come to know? By representing this binary, by representing this base 2 card, radix 2, by showing this base 2, I can come to know this is which number system. So while we have to be very specific to representing the base value also, that indicates that which number system it is, okay. So don't forget to represent this binary number, okay. Sorry. Let us now come to our point. What is our point? Our aim to find out how do we represent, this is the 25 binary value. So now we are going to see how do we represent this 25 using the plus 25, minus 25 using sign magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement. So let us take first. So if you see this one, it has 5 characters, 5 letters. 1, okay, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So we should have a 4 set of binary. Usually we have to represent in the 4 set of binary because 25 is a higher value. So we need to represent this 25 in the 4 set of binary. So for that, I'm going to change the same given binary value in this, like we can show that plus 25 is equal to, I can write here, same thing we can write, plus 25 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1 set of value, and next is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, okay. So here remember, whatever the values you are adding as a 0, the most significant bits are like left hand side will not be counted, will not be valid, okay. But to having the, like to proving the plus 25, minus 25 using sign magnitude as well as 1's complement could be easy. For that I am adding more number of like 3 zeros in the left side. There will be no changing of this value quantity, okay. So this is what a plus 25 representation. So as I told you beginning, this most significant bit is specifically assigned only for sign magnitude. So if it is MSB bit is 0, that indicates what it is, plus 25, okay. When this MSB bit is indicated as a 0, then it is called as a plus 25. 0 means positive value. When we have to say the most significant bit, if the most significant bit as a 0 indicates positive value, if the most significant bit indicates it as a 1, it is called as a negative value. So this most significant bit should not be considered for the counting, called as quantity. This most significant bit should not be taken as a quantity consideration. It is only assigned for the, whether it is assigning for the sign point of view only. Sign, what is the sign? Whether it is positive sign or negative sign, to telling that point we are considering the most significant bit. So this is the answer for the, I can say that positive plus 25. Okay, what do you call sorry, plus 25. Okay, using where in sign magnitude. What about the minus 25 using sign magnitude? I am telling about the using sign magnitude. So here we change the simple most significant bit. We change the most significant bit as a 1 because MSB, if it is 1, it is a negative value. So 1, remaining others keep the same only. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is what minus 25. Minus 25. These two are what? These two are In which form? These two are in sign magnitude way. These two are the sign magnitude. Okay. So now our question goes to what? How do we represent the plus 25 minus 25 using the ones complement? How do we represent the same plus 25 minus 25 using the ones complement? That's the point to next. So this is the positive sign. This is what a positive 25 representing the in using the normal sign magnitude. So you have to take this positive 25 as a reference and go for the ones complement. What is the meaning of ones complement? Negative of the original number. So if you change the given this positive 25, its complement is itself is the minus 25 representation. So this I take the as a reference, okay, in sign magnitude. Now I am showing that converting into the ones complement. So how does the ones come? It will go 0 as change as 1, again 0 change as 1, 0 change as 1, and 1 change as 0, again 1 change as 0, again 0 change as 1, 0 change as 1, 1 change as 0. Okay, this is what? This is the minus 25 using the ones complement. This is what I'm minus 25 using the ones complement. What is ones complement? As I told that 0 invert as 1 and 1 invert as 0, that is the complement of the given number. So complement has the name itself has the meaning negative. So this is the minus 25 representing using the ones complement. The next, what is our heading? We are having the how do we represent plus 25 minus 25 using the twos complement. So as we discussed here, positive sign are same. Positive 25 is represent same as sign magnitude, ones complement and twos complement are of same only. The only is changing of the minus 25 in various form. So as we discussed here, what is twos complement? Twos complement nothing but ones complement plus 1. Ones complement plus 1. If you add plus 1 to the ones complement, will get the twos complement. So that is what. So as I told you, twos complement means ones complement plus 1. So this is what ones complement of minus 25 or plus 25. Okay. So if you add plus 1, if you add plus 1 is the twos complement answer. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, okay, and 1 as 1, 1 as 1, and 0, 0, again 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the answer for the minus 25 using the, what am I using what? Using twos complement. Using what am I? Using twos complement. This is what? This is the minus 25 using the ones complement. Using what am I? Ones complement. Okay. So let us see. This is the way of giving the ones complement and a twos complement. So the point to here notice what are the what do you call comparison between ones complement and a twos complement. So I will go briefly. What is the comparison between ones complement and a twos complement? Let us write point here. Ones complement. Comparison between ones complement and a twos complement. So this is the ones complement I can take, and this is as twos complement. Twos complement. Okay. So in ones complement, what is the drawback? In ones complement is easy. You can take first step is what? Ones complement is what? Invert the. I can take invert 0 to 1, vice versa. Okay, 0 to 1, vice versa, or 1 to 0. What about here in this first point? Twos complement means ones complement plus 1. Ones complement plus 1 is the twos complement. In here we have seen a 0 can be represented in two different forms. 0 can be represented in two forms. This 0 can be represented in two forms like 0, 0, 0, 0, and also 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the one point in where we are having the in the second point amadi. So in 1's complement 0 can be represented in both two forms. This is the possibility of 1's complement. 0 can be represented as 0, 0, 0, can be also 1, 1, 1 in 4-bit of binary. 4-bit of binary. The same point, the second point 2 in 2's complement, 0 is a unique 0. We can represent 0 as a unique representation in 2's complement. You can call as what am a unique representation. We have unique representation of 0. Unique representation of can call unique representation of 0. Okay. Okay. So this is one, and you can say next one is what amount? Next one is 1's complement. Okay. This is the easy step. You can say that easy of representing positive and negative sign. Easy of represent signs. You can call simple sign. Okay. It is little bit hard than the representation. It is little bit take one more step. One more. Okay. So these are the little bit some comparison between 1's complement and 2's complement. So here you can say can go one more example also. Arithmetic operation, it has complexity, difficult, right? You can say quite difficult. So I can write that arithmetic operation quite difficult. Here arithmetic operations are easy. I can say directly arithmetic operations are easy. Okay. So these are, I think so, four comparisons using 1's complement and 2's complement, and we can say that here 1's complement. What you call 1's complement means, like you can say that subtracting given number, subtracting given number using subtracting given numbers from ones. Okay, this is called as 1's complement, and this is what I told you that it is 1's complement plus 1 addition of like we can call 1's complement add at a LSB bit. I can call here LSB bit. Add 1 at a LSB bit is the 2's complement form. So these are the like very important in this one, using 2's complement, 1's complement and sign magnitude, the representation of the plus 25 minus, not only plus 25 minus 25, I can say any decimal number or any number, positive number, negative number representation using sign magnitude and comma using 1's complement, using 2's complement, and this is the comparison quite important also, I can say. And also it has characteristics of like as I told this point, fifth point. What is fifth point? The fifth point I told that subtracting a given number using 1's complement. For example, I have taken, let us take plus 5 only. What is the plus 5? 5 representation, 5 representation is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the plus 5 representation of 5 representation. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so what is the 1's complement for this? What is the 1's complement? This is what answer called as plus 5, positive 5. So what is the 1's complement? What is the 1's complement? 1's complement of 5. So this is the answer of generally 5. Its 1's complement is what? Convert this 0 as 1, 1 as 0, 0 as 1. Okay. But as I told you, what is that? when we are going for ones complement, subtracting the number from the ones. See that? Let us take all ones. 1, 1, 1. These are the 4 ones. We are subtracting the given number from the all ones. Okay, so we will get what? Ones complement. So what is the answer here? Like we can get subtracting value 0, 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay, okay. Subtract cheyandamma, minus cheyandi. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1. So that is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 is the bottom. This is that part. This is what? This is at ones complement. Ones complement. We can call ones complement. Complement. This is what, as I told you, why you call as ones complement means we are subtracting the given number from the ones. Subtracting the given the number from the ones. Hence, it is called as the ones complement. That is what, okay, as I told you that 1 can change as 0, can change as 1, 1 can change as 0, 0 can change as 1, 1 can change as 0. This is what we got the ones complement. How do we get? Subtracting the number from the ones. Subtracting the numbers from the all the ones, we will call as ones complement. So that is the reason why we are calling it as the ones complement. Simple means we are subtracting the given number from the ones. Hence, we can call it as a ones complement. So this is the for today class talking about the representation of positive, negative integers using the sign magnitude, ones complement and twos complement. This is a very important topic, easy of representation, especially for the competitive examination, and also you can call for 2 marks and 3 marks point of view. This can help you a lot. Okay, so please remember, this is also comparison table which could help a lot for solving the objective bits. Okay, so we'll meet in next class with the continuation of the subtraction of binary numbers using ones complement and twos complement. Quite be very important. Okay, we'll talk about this topic, subtraction and additions. Okay, subtraction, addition of binary number system using ones complement and twos complement will discuss later on classes. So quite ready for that next topic. There could be also plays a major role in the binary number system. Thank you so much, on and all.